It has been our 4th of July tradition for a good 5 years or so. This stone used to be lying beside a lake where I used to live in North Miami, and I stole it when I left. So we paint with smoke on the 4th of July on stone, and this is from last year, from years before. It's been lying with this side down on the balcony over the year, so you can tell the top of it's worn a little bit more. Our balcony really doesn't get that much weather or sun, so I'm just going to retouch this one. This is a new one that we picked up last year in another state, so we're going to completely do this one. So we have assorted smoke balls, blue, yellow, we do have some green as well, and we also have some assorted color snakes, fun color snakes, magic colored snakes, glowworms. These turn into a black, gooey, tarry mess, so if you are going to do this, I recommend you stay away from these. Just do them on the pavement. You can also do this on canvas as well, but remember, it is fire, so just don't hold the canvas too close. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so on this one, we're just going to go ahead and, with some green, touch up and it takes a few to really get them covered, but we're just going to touch up the front side of the old stone with a little bit of green and yellow, and then cover it with blue. Okay, so here's another yellow. And I'm going to use the smoke balls themselves to just prop the stone on. There will be a couple of little burn marks on it, but you can definitely see, there's the burn mark, but you can definitely see that it is adding color. Okay, and this time we're going to do a nice new blue streak up the side. So the blue comes out better than any of them, so just takes maybe 2 or 3 of these to color the whole thing. So we're off to a good start. Next we're going to move on to the brand new one. Okay, so the way this stone sits, this is the flat part and it's got an overhang, so this one should be very easy to color. And of course, never any firework hold in your hands. But this should add some good color, and this one had none before. And there we go, off to a really good start and some really good blue pigment right there. Okay, so this is the back of the new stone, and you can see some scorching on here. As it weathers a little bit, more of the color will show through, but you can see some green, you see a lot of vibrant blue, you can actually even see some purple here where some blue and yellow and green got mixed up. Lots of yellow over here. So we're going to continue on until the entire stone is covered. Okay, so we've started with the other side, and we've done completely yellow, so now we're going to add some blue. Okay, we're taking a break from the painting of the rocks. So here's one of the magic glowworms. See what this is all about. Okay, it's burning. You can see the snake growing. Although I don't see any color at all. It just looks black to me. And all of the smoke is coming toward me. And that is why you don't want to do this on anything that you really want to keep. We don't really care about this because totally exposed to the elements, and within a month or so this will be clean again. Actually, I'll admit it is kind of cool the way it looks like it's just coming straight up out of the concrete. Alright, that's that. Back to the rocks. Alright, so here is our finished product. This whole side, touched up the ends just a little bit, all the way around. And just out of sentiment, didn't do anything to that side. That was from about 2 years ago, and it's still holding up. So we will put it back down that way and just enjoy the yellow, green, and blue. And as for our new rock, it turned out really well. It's got some blue, some yellow, some green, some purple. And this one is all the way around too. The only part that we didn't do is the bottom. So I don't know if you truly call this artistic or not, but for once a year, fun thing to do and enjoy a little bit of smoke bomb firework action during the day. It's a great way to remember the day. So if you like our crazy videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, the subscribe button on YouTube does not do what it used to do. If you want all of our updates, you also have to hit the little bell beside the subscribe button. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.